Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting posture and immediate key contact right. Sit so your forearms are parallel to the floor and your feet are flat. This stabilizes balance. Place curved fingertips on the keys with about a half-inch knuckle lift to maximize control and reduce tension. Once done, position the right hand around middle C and let the left hand rest on lower keys for support. Make sure to breathe and relax shoulders so your arms can move freely as you start playing simple shapes. Now you focus on touch and the detailed execution that builds technique. Practice slow scales at about 60 to 80 BPM, concentrating on even tone and finger independence. This trains consistent contact. Alternate legato and staccato to learn dynamic control, and remember to change pressure rather than speed for phrasing. Once done with single hand drills, start simple two-hand patterns and synchronize beats by counting out loud. Make sure to correct hand imbalances immediately so the coordination develops cleanly and efficiently. Finish by consolidating technique into music. Learn a short piece slowly and then raise tempo incrementally by 5 to 10% each run so muscle memory follows accuracy. Record your practice to reveal timing, balance, or tension problems you might miss while playing. Once done, focus on trouble spots by isolating measures and simplifying rhythms before reassembling. This rebuilds accuracy without reinforcing errors. Make sure to rest and stretch if tension returns. Small breaks prevent bad habits and keep progress steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.